So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change the language on your device here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the menu icon. Once you're here on the menu icon, go to the top right and press on the gear icon or the settings icon. Once you're on the settings page right here, I want you to slide down to where it says language right here. Now for me it defaults to English, but simply press on English right here. You can go ahead and press on settings right here and change the app settings. You need to have another preferred settings in your actual settings app. So these are the instructions. Go to settings, then general, then language and region. Add language and select the language you need. After that, you can set this language for the app. So just for me, I'll keep it in English so we don't mess anything up here. But that is how you guys can change the language here on your TradingView account. Super simple, super straightforward. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.